Today's guest is Anshika Agarwal, a designer turned creator. She worked with some big names, peeked behind the curtain, and figured out that a lot of what we see online is honestly pretty fake. But instead of joining that game, she made her own rules, helping founders and creators put out content that's real, consistent, and actually build trust. Basically, she's the one who makes your brand feel human, not like another boring sales ad. I hope I did justice to that intro, Anshika. Would you like to add something from your side?
No, you have actually introduced myself very good. Okay, so firstly, I would also like to introduce myself. Okay, so
Sure.
I'm a 22 years old, a designer who actually playing a role of now content creator. Okay, I have started my journey 1.5 year before on the LinkedIn. Okay, I actually don't know about anything what actually the LinkedIn platform is. I just try to do the jobs and everything there, applying for the job roles. Okay, content creation is not my part. Okay, so my life started like when I did some internships. Okay, when I get to know like there is something I can do myself. I don't need to do any job like because the salary they are paying me is not enough for me according to my skills, as I have graduated from the designing. Okay, and there are a lot of creators who are actually don't do a design degree and doing a lot of earning a good figures. Okay, and I'm the person, and I'm the person who has taken a degree and really don't do they're not doing anything. So this is how my journey has been started. Okay, and suddenly like when I get to know a lot about when I post my content. Okay, when I helps others, so I get to know it's not about only designing. There is a lot more if you can help in the business. So designing is just a one piece thing. Okay, there is more things. So I can do that. So this is how I turn like from the designer to the content designer.
Right. Okay. So, when I was doing your like the background research and everything, so I came to know that you are a person that I can see that from designing to being a LinkedIn creator is a very different journey, right?
Yeah.
Because lots of people just if they are into designing, they just want to design. If they are into creating content, this
Mhm.
is because designing and creating content in the different aspects. So, would you let me know about the behind the scene at that moment that you decided that designing is something that LinkedIn should have?
Okay, so before 1 year when I started the designing, okay, like from the 4 years I was already doing the designing in the college. Okay, I was not a the degree I have got is in the fashion designing. You know what? We are in the COVID situation when the college has been started. Like I'm a 22 years old, so chalu hua tha to college. So this was the situation of the COVID. We all belongs to like जब हम middle class family से belong करते हैं, then we want to earn a good. Okay, we think that parents पे pressure नहीं करना है, that you have to earn by yourself. I actually know the skills of creating illustrations and everything. So I started like selling my illustrations into the college. So in the college, I'm earning like 3,000 something. Okay, by just designing the illustrations because people wants the gifts. Okay, so I was in that situation. I was designing the logos, I was designing the illustrations. Okay, but when it comes to like December 2024, I think 2024, I actually joined one internship. My brother forced me for doing so. She was also a LinkedIn content creator. Okay, she was also working with someone. Okay, from outside of the India. Uh, so I started working with her for the 2 months. Then I actually quit within the 2 months. There is a lot in between the situation. I actually बहुत ज़्यादा screamed हुई मैं उस मतलब because she actually faked me a lot of things. She faked me. So I just quit in the 2 months. Then I started my own journey on the LinkedIn, started posting content. In the 15 days, I got actually 3 leads from the LinkedIn just by designing. People are actually scrolling on the LinkedIn. Okay. And I thought to design like उस समय चल रहा था that you have to design a banner. There are a lot of people who are doing the same stuff, and I started the same stuff. I started doing the same stuff also. So I just picked some big creators name, but okay, just I designed like 3 banners for the big creators name, like a Riya Upreti, Prachi Gautam, and Ranveer Alabadia. Okay, so from that, Prachi Gautam replied me actually, Anshika, I want like what you have designed me. Can you send me here? Okay, same from the Prachi Gautam. She has also messaged me. Okay, so this is the situation of the designing. Okay, but and also I joined one agency. Joined one agency from that. अब डिजाइनिंग में होता क्या है, लाइक व्हेन यू आर इन द बिगनर सिचुएशन, तो पीपल जो होते हैं फोर्स करते हैं आपके अंडर काम करने ना, मतलब लाइक बार बार चेंजेस चेंजेस चेंजेस। ओके, एंड आई कांट होल्ड दिस अ लॉट, मैं इतना होल्ड नहीं कर पाऊंगी वो चीज। ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट मैंने उसको भी लाइक 2 मंथ्स में क्विट कर दिया। ओके, द सेम थिंग आई क्विट इन द 2 मंथ्स, and after that I started posting continuously my thing. Okay, because this time I want to get the high ticket one people. Okay, so I landed 2 people from there. One is a Vidya Sharma, and there is one people also, it's not belong to India. Okay, he's not belong to India. Yeah. Okay, so this is my first like first 10K that I got from the LinkedIn. उससे पहले I was just 3K 5K. तो सबसे पहला प्रोजेक्ट था जहां से मुझे 10K मिला था. Okay, I was just designing for her. ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ रेफरल्स फ्रॉम हर. ठीक है, शी गिव्स मी अ लॉट ऑफ रेफरल्स, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई स्टार्टेड लाइक देन आई एक्चुअली व्हेन कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रहे थे, लाइक कंटेंट क्रिएशन जर्नी ऐसे ही चलती है. ओके, व्हेन आई गेट टू नो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल के साथ जब हम कनेक्ट हुए लाइक गूगल मीट पे, I get to notice that people don't only want the design. Design is not something कि वो business की किसी problem को solve कर दे. Okay, if I want to create a business, I have to do more of the stuff. I can't just limit myself in the designing. People also want the content, the person who can write the content, person who can engage. Okay, people want like a more stuff. Designing is a one thing. या तो डिजाइनिंग में है या तो आप सिर्फ लोगो डिजाइनिंग वाले पार्ट पे चले जाएं, बिकॉज B2B बिजनेस पीपल वांटेड. बहुत सारे कस्टमर्स हैं जिनको पूरा ब्रांड आइडेंटिटी चाहिए होता है, बिकॉज दे वांट टू शो देमसेल्फ दैट द ट्रस्ट गेन करने के लिए, ब्रांड क्लैरिटी गेन करने के लिए. बट व्हेन वी कम इन द लिंक्डइन और सोशल मीडिया स्टफ, जब हम कराउजल डिजाइन कर.
Right. Okay. Really, that's a great story because, as you said, you are just 22, right? So basically, you belongs to the Gen Z generation, and I'm not saying this in a very negative word. I'm saying in a very positive word because what I'm saying, I'm 27. Okay. So what I see in this generation is they are very confident. They are very, you can say they can do a lot of things, they just need to realize it. So that's leads me to my next question. So you said you started earning from LinkedIn and that's a great opportunity for you. So when do you remember your first post, when you posted on the LinkedIn, what happened?
से पहले दैट आई स्टार्टेड पोस्टिंग द कॉलेज में पोस्ट करना स्टार्ट किया था, बट आई वाज जस्ट कॉपिंग द एआई कंटेंट. व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड पोस्टिंग, मैं 3 to 4 ही पोस्ट किए होंगे उस टाइम पे, कॉलेज टाइम पे, बट उससे कुछ हुआ नहीं था. आफ्टर when I just did my first internship, I was telling, okay, with the LinkedIn creator. In that case, when I quit her, okay, I got to know about people posting the carousels. Okay, so I just did my first carousel, and like it gets me 15 likes and 2 comments. That's it. And in the first thing, when you get the 2 comments from the unknown people, you feel like you have achieved a good thing. Okay.
Right, for sure.
Yeah, and that 2 comments give me a lot of motivation that Anshika, you have to do this. Okay, so that's how I started creating a continuously. Okay, so this is like how I selected this part.
That's great. Actually, you said something very important, right? Because right now, no, people are very certain about numbers. They are very certain about number of comments and number of likes. So they don't understand that even 2 comments from right people is something you have to understand that it is very big thing. especially on a professional environment. It's a very big thing. Okay, so let's get a bit more behind. When you say you are writing content, no, there are very, I think every creator have drafts they don't publish. So, do you have some kind of content that you think with time
I really have a lot of these stuffs in in my laptop. If somebody sees my laptop, they will see there are a lot of things like a designing. Like I don't know, I have designed portfolio a lot of time. You can't imagine. Like I have actually recreate my portfolio 10 plus times. I don't know. I even don't have count. I was sitting just on my laptop and just editing my portfolio again and again. I don't know why I was doing that, because I was not landing something good enough. So I was just editing और it was a time जबकि मैंने उसे अपलोड भी नहीं किया होगा. And same as for the content, sometimes I used to give up in writing the content. Okay, so half complete कर दिया, because what sometimes होता है ना, you think that you are also posting the same thing, others people are posting the same thing. Why will people read your content? So this is a situation happens me a lot of time. So in that case, there's a lot of content which I have in my
Yeah, I can totally understand that particular thing that when you start posting on LinkedIn, no, when you are going through LinkedIn feed, no, there are a lot of content on same topic. So it's very, I think it's very lucky, or it's very, you have to be very specific about your content writing that people should notice your content out of all these, right?
yeah.
So that's great. Okay, let me have some behind the scene questions. So, when you came to know that, okay, I can create content as well, where it, I think when you start feeling like, okay, I can do this, I can do that as well, especially in terms of writing content, in terms of publishing content, you feel very confident about it. So, is there any moment for in your journey that you felt, okay, I can do this as well?
Okay, yeah, I have. See, the first thing is that by writing content for myself, okay, I actually gain the confidence because I have achieved the result other people's don't. Okay, I have actually I usually quit a lot of time from the LinkedIn. Still, my profile is working. People are viewing my profile and getting a good engagement from here. So that's how I decided that I can also write the content. But there was a thing. What happens when I landed one client writing the post? This gives me a lot, uh, knowledge about the creating the content for somebody else. Okay, that is the thing. Like I have taken her project, but one day she told me, Anshika, that I'm not feeling like myself. You are writing my content, it's good, but I'm not feeling that it's honest. Okay, um it is not feeling like authentic. It's like feeling somebody else is doing that. Okay, because पहले का था वो authentic था. Now I am creating, so vibes change हो गई. So she was feeling that. She told me. Okay, so this was my mistake actually. This is thing I realized, that when you are creating for others, okay, you have to understand actually what are they posting. You have to test, you have to figure out actually first of all what is their voice, and you have to confirm with them when you are writing like 2 to 3 posts. Just confirm with them a lot of time. Is this post is resonating with them? Is there this post is like their voice or not? Okay, because on the LinkedIn people connect with the authentic touch, because there are a lot of people in the personal branding just doing like AI, doing a chat GPT content and nothing else. Okay, so after that, when I leave her, okay, so it's like a 3 months. We have the 3 months project. I leave her after the 3 months because I'm not able to give her the results. This was the main thing. I'm not able to give her the result. I totally directly said her, sorry, but I think I have to leave because this is not like going a good for both of us. You are also investing in me, and I'm also giving my energy. But why I'm not able to do this, why I'm just doing a designing, because I have already connected with a lot of people. When I just pitch them $50 for the designing, they don't give. Even the big creators, they are not able to pay in the designing. People want the content. Someone can create both of the things. So I study a lot of posts from others people, how they are doing, and that's when I realize actually, um, the right people actually want to sell on the LinkedIn their service. Okay, so so what I can do, I can just like post the content which actually make the people in that this is what I want. Not just educating content, it's about promoting, it's about the promotion, because whatever we are writing, it's the marketing. Okay, so that's the when I realized that I can do this thing. Okay, like if someone wants a content from me, okay, they don't need to publish the post every time like a 7x. This is not a thing we can provide. We can provide the something which can actually promote their brand and the people can buy from them. So this is how all the things went, and I feel that I can do this.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so I have like I had a lot of questions, and I think in your answers, no, you have answered all of them. Like when people feel demotivated on LinkedIn, you answered that in your first question that okay, if you are feeling demotivated, you can just post, you can just put your energy out, and you will even after two comments, you can feel a lot great about it. So that leads me to the last of this podcast, and I need to have some basic personal answers. So in this generation, no, people are chasing likes, comment, as I already said. So for you, what does being a creator mean?
स्टार्टिंग में लगता था कि लाइक्स नहीं आ रहे, कमेंट्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, आई हैव टू डू पोस्ट मोर, एंड कुछ लोग भी बोलते थे अंशिका यू हैव टू पोस्ट मोर, आई हैव ट्राइड पोस्टिंग 2x, ओके, तब भी इतना कुछ नहीं हुआ. So I am just trying to be active on the other platform as well, on the Instagram threads. Okay, because if you're not getting the right thing from one thing, from one platform, you have to, you have to try showing up others on the others too, I think. And the every platform actually work on the same way. लोग कहते हैं कि नहीं, different way में work करता है, but that's not the thing. On the LinkedIn, if you're commenting on someone else profile regularly, people will come on your profile and they will comment on your post. Okay, so I'm just posting now like 3x only. I'm not doing regularly now. I have finally made my mind that I just have to build a business and educational content, and the content which can lend me the people, nothing else. That's so. This is the thing. Likes and comments is okay, but the main thing what I'm here to. So this is.
नॉट श्योर, मेरे लिए भी मुझे लगता है मैटर यही करता है कि आपके प्रोफाइल से आपको जो चाहिए आपको मिल रहा है. यू नीड
Yeah.
लीड्स, you are getting leads, and that's enough. You don't have to be an influencer just to get the leads and just to
Yeah.
make your thing work. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's a great answer. Thank you so much for joining this. I would like to share my experience talking to you. So I was also one of the person who thought that okay, maybe people from design need to come out more, need to post more, because there are very less people who just share tips or everything about designing on LinkedIn and some other platform. So talking to you made me realize if there are beginners, if there are someone who are into designing, they can also do these things. They can also post content, whatever they feel they from their experience and everything. And from your experience, I learned that if you are into something, if you decide something, you can do it as well. So
Oh,
thank you so
God.
much for joining me on this podcast. I look forward to have another conversation with you. Thank you so much for giving your time, Anshika.